Today we shall discuss about reported speech of question sentences. There are two kinds of question sentences. Number one, yes/no question sentence, which starts from auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, and all modal auxiliaries and primary auxiliaries are known as auxiliary verbs. Modals like will, shall, can, could, may, might, etc. If the sentence starts from an auxiliary verb, then it is called a yes/no question sentence. अर्थात yes/no question sentence गुड़िक auxiliary verb रु आरंभ होता है. Then WH question sentence. WH question sentence गुड़िक WH word रु आरंभ होता है. Suppose what, who, whom, which, where, when, etc. What is your name? What class are you in? Who is your master, etc. Rule 1. If the reported speech is a yes/no question sentence, then in indirect speech the sentences are joined by if or whether. Reported speech टा जदि yes/no question sentence होइथिबो तेबे आमे if किंबा whether द्वारा सेंटेंस जोग करिबा. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे if किंबा whether द्वारा सेंटेंस जोग करा जाए. पूर्व कौन होतिला ना पूर्व दैट लगे सेंटेंस जोग करथला एठी if किंबा whether लागिवो. कारण रिपोर्टेड स्पीच हो गोटे क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस. को क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस ना yes/no क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस. जदि yes/no क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस होइथिबो ताले if किंबा whether द्वारा आमे सेंटेंस जॉइन करिबा. Point number 1. Point number 2. The question format changes into statement format. और question sentence changes into statement sentence. Question sentence टा statement form को हो जाए, statement sentence हो जाए. एवं पूर्व जब चेंज होतला सिंपल प्रेजेंट थिले सिंपल पास्ट हबो, प्रेजेंट पॉसेसिव थिले पास्ट पॉसेसिव हबो, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट थिले पास्ट परफेक्ट हबो इत्यादि आग भली परिवर्तन घटिबो. एग्जांपल, he said to me, is it your pen? देखो बोले said to परिवर्ते हला asked, he asked me क्वेश्चन करा हेतिबारु क्वेश्चन पचरा हेतिबारु एडी said to परिवर्ते asked कराला. he asked me एटा क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस पा yes/no क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस होइतिबारु if किंबा हमें whether यूज कर परिया. if किंबा whether यूज कर परिबा. he asked me if it was my pen, is it your pen? किए काहो कहू देखो ही कहूची से कहूची मते कहूची से मते कहूची बा से मते पचारुची. if it was my pen एहा मोर पेन की नहीं बोली पचारिला. तेनो is it your pen टा स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस कले हबो it was my pen. he asked me if it was my pen. Santi, the boy said to his friend, are you going to school? The boy asked his friend. पिलाटी ता सांगो को पचारिला if he was going to school that day. today थिले that day हबो. if he was means his friend was. if he was going to school that day. I said to Ramesh, did you see my father? I asked Ramesh, mu Ramesh को पचारिली if he had seen my father. Clear? If the reported speech is a question sentence, then in indirect speech the sentences are joined by WH words. The question format will change into statement format. Point number 3. The tense of the reported speech will change as before. If the reported speech is a WH question sentence, जदि reported speech WH question sentence होइथिबो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कला बेले सही WH वर्ड द्वारा सेंटेंस जोग करा जाए। क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट टी स्टेटमेंट फॉर्मेट हुए बा क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस टी स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस हो जाए। नंबर 3 रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रे थिबा वर्ब टेंस बा टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब विल चेंज एज बिफोर पूर्ववत परिवर्तन घटे। एग्जांपल ही सेड टू मी वेयर इज माय बुक। ही सेड टू मी से मते कहिले वेयर इज माय बुक मो बही केउठारे। He asked me से मते पचारिले where his book was। Your question format changed into statement format बा question sentence टा statement sentence हो गला। से मते तांको बही कोठी बोली पचारिले। I said to my brother who has broken my pen। I asked my brother who has broken my pen। Clear? Students, you are advised to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.